everyone, and welcome back once again. Today we complete our 26th book of the 52 Weeks, 52 Books Challenge. And the book that I've read, completed, and made notes of this week, just for you, is The Coaching Habit by Michael Stanier. Now, this book is a very special book. And if you're a businessman, या अगर आप कहीं पे जॉब करते हैं, if you are a teacher, a trainer, or a coach, especially if you are a parent, then you must read this book without fail. Now, you might be thinking, why should you read this book? Let me tell you, because in this book, you'll find an amazing solution to a lot of your frustrating and annoying day-to-day life problems. जैसे क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने अपने वाइफ को या अपने हस्बैंड को या आपने अपने बच्चों को या किसी फैमिली मेंबर को या अपने टीम मेंबर को कोई एक बात बहुत बार बार समझाई हो, बहुत अच्छे से बताई हो, यहां तक कि करके भी दिखाई हो और तो और उनसे भी करवाई हो, लेकिन इन सारी चीजों के बावजूद उन्हें याद नहीं रहता और वो हर बार गलती कर बैठते हैं और फाइनली वो काम आपको करना पड़ता है। क्या आपके साथ भी कुछ ऐसा होता है? बहुत बार होता है ना? और क्या आपके टीम मेंबर्स या फैमिली मेंबर्स हर काम के लिए आप पर डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं? और क्या आप उन्हें सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बनाना चाहते हैं ताकि वो अपने सारे काम खुद पूरे कर सकें और तो और आपकी समझाई हुई, सिखाई हुई, बताई हुई सारी बातें याद रख पाएं? अगर आपका जवाब हाँ है और आप इन सारे प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन जानना चाहते हैं, moreover, if you want to become a master in the art of questioning, then you must read this book without fail. And just in case if you wish to buy this book, I have pasted a link in the description given below. You simply need to click on the link and buy this book from Amazon. Now, if you are ready, let's quickly move on to our learnings from the book. The Coaching Habit by Michael Stanier aims to train us to help people, but not the usual way. Not by giving solutions, but by asking questions. Questions that empower people to use their own mind and find or create their own answers, their own solutions. It shares a list of 7 amazing questions. Questions that help you engage people in a non-judgmental conversation. Questions that help you keep the conversation sharp, focused, and on track. Questions that help you uncover the real problem. Questions that help you identify the real expectations. Most importantly, these are questions that will strongly push the opposite person, empower them to find a solution to their own problem. And not just that, these questions will help to get them totally commit themselves towards their decision and the solution. The book, however, warns us that even though the process is extremely simple, it is not easy. खास तौर पर उन लोगों के लिए जो पूरी दुनिया को सिखाने और फ्री के एडवाइस देने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं. Because to be able to use these techniques efficiently, you must be able to tame the advice monster. एक अच्छा कोच बनने के लिए आपको अपने अंदर के संत शिरोमणि ज्ञान के भंडार प्रवचन प्रेमी बाबा और प्रवचन प्रेमी माता को नियंत्रित करना पड़ेगा. और आप ये कैसे करेंगे? By following these steps. So the book doesn't just tell you what to do, but it also shows you how to do it. After every chapter, you will get a worksheet using which you'll know exactly when to use these 7 questions. These worksheets will help you master the art of questioning and get it thoroughly ingrained in your DNA. Moving on, the book will teach you the magic of adding for you at the end of your questions. It'll teach you how adding for you at the end of your questions will not only help you to keep your conversation sharp and focused, but also help the opposite person figure out the solution faster and more accurately. Another important point that this book shares is that we must start our questions with a what and not a why. This technique helps us to get the spotlight on the problem and not the person. Here's an example. Starting your question with a why will put the spotlight on the person you're speaking with and make him get defensive. Whereas starting your question with a what will help you identify and separate the actual problem from the person. This will help you get maximum information from the person you're speaking with without actually making him get defensive. Next, the book speaks about the Karpman drama triangle, a triangle which highlights the 3 extremely important psychological states that every person undergoes while in a conversation. Victim वो होता है जो हमेशा कंप्लेन करता है, अपनी किस्मत पे अफसोस करता है. He never takes responsibility and always blames others for his problems. Persecutor वो होता है जो खुद को बाकियों की तुलना में ज्यादा होशियार समझता है, सुपीरियर समझता है. Persecutor भी अपनी परेशानियों का जिम्मेदार दूसरों को समझता है. He is the one who craves for power and control. और रेस्क्यूअर वो होता है जो सबकी परेशानियों का बोझ अपने कंधों पे लिए घूमता है. ही इज द वन हु फील्स दैट ही इज मॉरली ऑब्लिगेटेड टू हेल्प अदर्स. ये वो है जो दूसरों की गलतियों का ढीकरा अपने सर पे फोड़ता है. नाउ टू हेल्प समवन फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन टू एनी गिवन प्रॉब्लम, it is important that you're quickly able to identify the state you're in and make a conscious effort to come out of it. Moving on, the book will also train you on some amazing, really amazing techniques like how to answer a question with a question, how to say a no without saying a no, and most importantly, how to soften your questions so that you don't sound rude or insensitive. And finally, coming to my most favorite learning of this book, जो आपको बताएगा क्यों बार बार बताने के बावजूद, बार बार सिखाने और समझाने के बावजूद, यहां तक कि करके दिखाने के बावजूद लोग नहीं सीखते. To help people learn, you have to interrupt the process of forgetting. You have to help them create new neural pathways. And to do that, you have to ask questions. Which questions? Well, for that, make sure to read this book without fail. Now, those were just few of the many amazing learnings that this book has to offer. As I've mentioned before, if you want your kids, your spouse, your family members, and your team members to be independent so that they can solve their problems and their challenges by themselves, most importantly, if you want to become a master in the art of questioning, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बीवी, बच्चे, परिवार के सदस्य या टीम मेंबर्स आपने सिखाई हुई, समझाई हुई, बताई हुई सारी बातों को हमेशा याद रख पाए, you must read this book without fail. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.